After a crazy month in Germany, today is finally the day we are heading into Poland.
Yeah, there's a checkpoint there.
Do you think they're gonna pull us over?
Yeah, we'll see. I'm surprised to see it, but
어.
they're mainly focusing on cars coming this way.
어.
Probably because of the migrants and stuff.
야, 우리 브레이크 패드 진짜 빨리 갈아야겠다, 아니야?
Yeah. Oh, it's the bridge.
Wow,
This is
we
the
are
border.
이거 읽어야 된다, 아니야? 50, 90, 100. 50, 90, 100.
All right, we're in Poland.
The first town we arrived at after crossing the Polish border was Pyzdry. We are staying in the free campsite, right there, TV. So today we are gonna walk around this town and check them out. Right next to us is there's a river. So we are gonna walk a little bit and find something unique about it. Look at this picnic bench. During the pandemic, we didn't notice that much, but this time we saw a lot of picnic tables along the road. I think it's like a really natural in Poland. I'm excited to walk around, right?
So this is the river. You can see it flowing.
되게 빨리 간다. 잠시만, 저 바베큐 그래 아이가. 말 꼬였다. Is it barbecue?
Yeah.
잘 돼 있네, 폴란드. 야, 누가 이미 사용했네, 맞지? 자주 사용했나? 탈 이거 그거 아이가. Whale. Lobster. That's cute. It's going up to the church, huh? We climb up a beautiful mosaic staircase and explore this small town. There was a sign explaining its history, and it turns out that during the Piast era, Pyzdry was one of the largest cities, a place where kings and princes stayed. Now I'm about to check out something I'm most curious about whenever I visit new country, the supermarket. I don't know about you, but for me, supermarkets are always fascinating when I travel. Maybe iced tea? Oh no, it's jelly. 젤리야. 젤리 만드는 거. 오, 와. 야, 그럼 이게 1줄로 튀면 얼마고?
25 cents, 30 cents.
와. 폴란드 물가가 진짜 좋긴 좋다, 아니야?
Canned cake.
You have to make it, I think. Poppy seeds filling with dried fruit.
And you just throw it in the oven, huh?
되게 특이하다.
Interesting.
맛있겠다. 이건. Look at the butter, guys. So pretty. We cannot even use it. So pretty. Shopping is done. We are heading to where?
Windmill.
Old windmill. There you go. 와, 동글동글해. This round sturdy Polish windmill is actually the best preserved one I've seen in my travels so far. But it wasn't just the windmill. There were also old farming tools here.
Still in pretty good shape.
What do you think this black farming tool was used for? Its shape was so interesting that I examined it for a bit, but honestly, I have no idea how it was supposed to work.
That one has a seat, huh? I think you can get up there. Like the brakes.
This is a quite small town, right?
Mm-hmm.
But every facility is really neat and clean.
Yeah.
Like no trash too.
Yeah, it's pretty clean.
After strolling through town, this is where things started getting chaotic for us. At this point, we're both a little bit out of it. First, we're mentally drained from TV's acting up since England, plus the constant gloomy rainy weather. Honestly, I used to think I wasn't affected by sunlight or the lack of it, but turns out I definitely am. After dealing with the dark, gloomy weather all the way from England to Germany, I could feel my energy slipping away. But TV's issue and the weather weren't the biggest problem. The real challenge was that we had to use too many Schengen days waiting for parts from Korea, so we had no choice but to rush out of Schengen countries. That's why we hurried to Warsaw. I finally got to try Poland's famous pork knuckle, golonka, which I missed out on during the pandemic.
Just falls apart.
처음 먹어보는데 먹어보겠습니다. 진짜 맛있다. 진짜 맛있다. And wow, it was so good. It's kind of meal you could pledge your wrist to. After that, we head straight to Krakow. In Krakow, we explored the oldest market in the city, wandered around the main square, checked out different foods and shops, and then walked to a milk bar, a classic Polish diner serving traditional home-cooked meals. And let me tell you, That meal was pure comfort, warming both the body and the heart. After leaving Krakow, we took our car to a repair shop to fix the brake pads. Mark had tried fixing them earlier, but well, let's just say that didn't go as planned. Today we are continuing forward and making our way into Slovakia.
오늘 국경 건너는 사람 우리밖에 없는 것 같다, 그냥. 아무도 없잖아.
Alright, here we go. For the first time.
Yeah, there is
Slovakia! Yeah!
First time too, right?
Yeah. Here goes the sign.
아 진짜? 보자. 너무 작아.
50, 90.
Today we got into Slovakia and then we are gonna get out of Slovakia.
3 countries in one day.
Yeah. Oh, 20 degree 아니야?
Wow.
The highway 31. Oh, watercolor.
Yeah, it's really
Oh wow, blue. Oh, guys, Slovakia is really pretty. We love, actually, right? A place like this is nature, and we found a place that we can camp anywhere. And right now we don't have that much time, but I really want to come back again. Is that recording?
Get out of my way.
What happened? Emergency again.
To the Hungary, we need to drive 1 hour 30 minutes. So yeah, we drove pretty long today and we didn't stop anywhere. So we stopped in the countryside road and stretch a little bit and then get some snacks. Mark is having an emergency situation, so he's using a toilet. So I'm gonna leave him alone. After every air is clean inside, I'm gonna cook 컵라면. We're gonna have that one and then take off to Hungary today.
I can see. Hello there.
Hey there.
Did you take care of your emergency situation well?
What emergency situation?
I already told everyone.
Fake news.
We bought this one in Polish supermarket. It's 육개장. It's good.
There you go. Bon appetit.
네, 잘 먹겠습니다.
I'll eat back here.
허니는 거기 위에서 먹어야겠네.
There's a little bit of cold water in mine.
야, 컵라면 약간 너무 먹고 싶었다.
라면 잘 먹었으니까.
네.
갑시다. Let's go.
After grabbing some snacks in Slovakia and handling Mark's little emergency, we hit the road again, heading towards our final destination for the day, Hungary.
So across this bridge is... Oh, he's in Hungarian flag.
Oh yeah, I can see. 이거 다리 건너면 헝가리잖아.
Yeah. Oh, so that building's in Hungary.
저기 헝가리 거였어.
Wow.
아, 이쁘다 야. 아저씨 할 수 있어. You can do.
You can do.
You can do. I know it's up here, but you can do.
Alright, Hungary!
Yeah, first time.
First time in Hungary.
First time in Hungary.
Wow. It's nice here.
굉장히 이쁘다. 조심해라. 보고.
In 400 meters, your destination will be on the right.
This is it right here.
너무 깊지가 않네. 아닌데?
Well, they're definitely open. Oh, there's a campsite there. See?
오케이. 보인다. I can see the camper maybe. Campsite, the gate was open, so we already drove in. It's just like we need a water, and then ask her, do you have a water? Elise, can I fill up the water tank, please? And then she said no. Like all the facilities are shut down. The water tap is not working, but we found that water tap is working. But anyways, she lied.
They're liars. Dirty, stinking liars.
I believe that honesty is policy is my thing. So we fill up the water, our water tank, right?
Yeah.
So it's equal, I guess. So we are gonna go find the campsite. Just maybe, I don't know, anywhere in the nature since we fill it up. So
Yeah.
let's see.
Guys, we arrived at the place we are gonna camping today. It's pretty nice.
You can see the river.
The beach.
아 그래? 어 맞네.
Oh, my shoulder.
오, 2개 했네.
3.
2개다, 2개.
이겼다.
1. No flat rocks. 거짓말쟁이 너무 크게 나간다. Yeah, I think I found that one.
Okay, ready?
이렇게 하는 거였나?
Yeah.
That's why we tried.
Good job.
2. 크로스모어도 누가 죽었나?
Usually that's what that means. Right? Yeah, I think if we were planning on staying here for more than one day, we could park right here.
나도 그 생각했어. 난 여기 됐으면 좋겠는데 어차피 여기 도로 지나가면 여기에 되고.
But look how steep that is, baby.
I know.
Yeah.
But we live kind of extreme life, baby.
Yeah.